Looking for the best Oster food processors? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Oster food processors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Oster Top Chop 4-Cup Chopper. Pros: 4-cup chopping bowl with built-in measuring scale, pulse button, stainless steel chopping blade. Safety system ensures chopper won't start if notches aren't aligned. Nicely sized chopping bowl. Motor on top of the chopper instead of below ensures powerful cutting. Cons: chopping bowl sides are ridged, which makes food hard to remove. Bottom line: the top-seated motor gives this chopper serious slicing power. At number 2. Oster 10-Cup Food Processor. Pros: the 10-cup work bowl has a locking lid, 2 speeds and pulse control buttons, large mouth food chute with food pusher, reversible slicing and shredding disc, includes dough blade, suction cup helps it stay in place on counter, convenient cord storage. Cons: not good for items like warm cheese, hard-boiled eggs, or marshmallows. A challenge to clean. Bottom line: this 2-speed food processor is a good value for basic chopping and gets the job done quickly. At number 1. Oster Pro 1200 Blender. Pros: offers 1200 watts of power, 6-cup glass blender jar, 5-cup BPA-free food processor bowl attachment, lidded smoothie cup. Blender and food chopper have 7 speeds, including 3 pre-programmed settings. Dual direction blade. Can crush ice. Powerful blender for its size. Food processor is quiet. Cons: food processor adapter can fail. Bottom line: can't decide between a food processor and a blender? Now you don't have to choose. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.